Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. This channel is all things wood, from tree work to woodwork. I've been doing tree work my whole life. This is a video from last weekend, taking down an oak tree. So I do tree work on the weekends and after school. I've actually been doing tree work, I think, for probably 35 years since I was in high school. Can't seem to ever give it up. But in addition to doing tree work, I also teach high school woodshop and math. I love tree work, but teaching high school woodshop is really very rewarding. And kind of what we do is I cut down trees on the weekends, and then I take those logs and I bring them to the school. You have a mini skid steer at school that we load them with and unload them with, and then we take those logs and we mill them out on our Wood-Mizer LT15 mill. This is a small little Deodora log that a student's milling out right here. I think with this log he's planning on doing some wood turning and I think also a coffee table. So we mill out these logs, we store the lumber and let it dry, and then we take that lumber and we manufacture it into wood products. In this video I look at a student's project that he did right here at the mill and wood shop, where he built a wooden bed for his 64 Chevy truck. Wish I had more footage, but I'll show you what I have. Alright, here it is. 1964 Chevy. Straight six got traded out for a V8. Just finished the transfer case. Oh, look at that bed! Look at that bed, hand-milled lumber, rhino tough on the sides. Oh my God, that looks beautiful. Pull that tailgate down, or can you get it down? Oh, that is gorgeous. Tell me about it.
We accidentally drilled a couple holes that we didn't need, so I put bolts and I drilled two more to match over there.
You don't need to point out the mistakes. Tell me, what did you do with the wood here? Step one.
We milled it down to size and I cut the lengths.
Wait, slow down. So first we let it dry, got the moisture content right. Then we planed it and surfaced it. All right. And then cut it surfaced it all six sides. Then dimensioned it, and then what?
Then we ran the grooves for the railing, which they gave the website we got the grooves off of wasn't quite correct, so that's why there's a gap. And then I took these washers out of my old bed and I cleaned them up a little bit because we put more bolts than we needed, but stronger the better.
Stronger the better. Yeah. Oh no, I love it. Let me get my little drone footage. Oh, that is beautiful. I love it. Beautiful project.
All this linkage right here, we had to modify this linkage because of the old differential. We had to cut that down and shorten it so it'd work.
So this 64, and this is 80s running gear. So the power steering box out of an 80s.
Yeah, pretty much everything's gonna be 80s.
The axles. So is that booster?
Yeah.
Out of an 80s?
No.
Where's that booster from?
I'm not sure. We just ordered it off LMC, I think.
Oh. So 64. And then, but it has power steering, disc brakes, and everything works in a V8 versus stock 6.
Yep.
Beautiful.
I have AC.
Oh, you have AC too? Oh man, that's big. That's great.